Hello, I'm Mary, and this is Discover Together at Halton Hills Public Library. Let's discover BeeBots. Visit our website at www.hhpl.on.ca to borrow this kit with your library card. Let's get started. In order to do this challenge, you'll need to understand how the BeeBot works. Its power button and sound button are both on the underside of the bee. Its programming buttons are all on its back. Each orange button gives the bee a command to either move one 15-centimeter step or to turn on the spot. The BeeBot has a memory of up to 200 moves, so there are lots of possibilities for fun and learning. The green Go button tells the robot to follow all the commands you give it. And a very important button to know is the blue X button at the back of the robot. Because the BeeBot does have a memory, it's important for your kids to learn that they will need to press the X button to make the BeeBot forget what it was told the last time it was used. For this challenge, I am going to try to predict or guess the best commands I can make to get the BeeBot to travel through an obstacle course. So for this obstacle course, we have made a very fun Lego playground. We've also got a fabulous Lego bridge. I'm going to try and get my BeeBot to go for a walk around the playground and through under the bridge. See if I can guess. So if I start with him, I know he can take 15-centimeter step. And a 15-centimeter step is just longer than the BeeBot itself. So I'm going to guess that to get around this playground, he's going to need to go 1 step, 2 steps, and then turn. And then I think 1 step, 2 steps, and then turn, and then 1 step, and then turn and forward. See if I can remember that again. I'm going to program him to, I'm going to start him facing this way, and then I'm going to ask him to, first I'm going to make sure I press the X button in case there's anything in his memory. I'm going to ask him to turn right, which would do that. I'm going to ask him to move forward 2, like that. I'm going to ask him to turn left to get him there, and then move forward 2, 1, 2, forward 2. I'm going to ask him to turn left again, which should do this. I'm going to ask him to move forward 1, which should do this. Maybe I need to move my bridge. Then I'm going to ask him to turn right, like that, and then go forward again. All right, I don't know. Let's see if I can guess the best starting place and see if this robot can get all the way through this obstacle course. I'm going to press the green Go button, and go ahead, robot. Oh, so far so good. Beep, beep, beep. He did it. Yay, BeeBot. That was kind of fun to predict and guess what moves he would need to take to get through an obstacle course. I wonder what kind of obstacle course you will come up with and how many tries it might take. I'll give you a hint. I tried this more than once. Have fun. Thank you for watching. Are you ready to discover something new? Go to www.hhpl.on.ca and search Discover Together to put one on hold. And don't forget your library card. Bye.